guys, it's Jennifer Elizabeth with Prairie Picola's Vlogs. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. Today's video is going to be another Dollar Tree haul, and in this Dollar Tree haul, we're mainly going to focus on Valentine's Day, plus a couple of other new items and random items that I found. So without further ado, let's get into Valentine's Day. I found some really cute, fun items. First item is the LED string lights, and they're hearts. So very cute. And then I found the most adorable white heart lace ribbon. That is so pretty. I love it. It's 1.3 yards. And they did have a couple of other colors too. And I found some really adorable garland is what they're calling it. It's like ribbon, but it's little beads. And they had other colors. So I decided to get the pink color because it's different than anything that I have, and I just think it's really pretty. And there's 2 yards in this little roll here. Now I saw these, they're calling them sticky paper flowers, and it's a 12-pack. They're so gorgeous. They're these really pretty rosettes with like glitter on them, white silver glitter. So pretty. There's like a light pink, a purple, and then a burgundy and a red. I got 2 packages of these, and they're 12 each. And then this one is these are really pretty colors too. There's like a off-white, a peach, and then that little more of a lavender color, and like a pinky color and a really pretty pink color. So these I'll be using most likely in the collab. I might even use them in a couple of other arts and crafts that I'm going to be working on for Valentine's Day. So they had the cutest little craft kits. I already showed you the pom-pom ones in my previous haul, but I did buy these as well. This is a 10-piece, so it looks like there's 5 of each style because there's 2 styles. And you can make a little cupcake, and you can make a little heart. So cute. So very cute. These are always fun. Johnny loves doing these. So these are going to be a lot of fun. And you can see there's the hearts. And there's the pieces for the cupcake. I did get some of the Valentine's Day. They're calling it scatter, table scatter. I love these. You can use these for anything. For friend mail, for arts and crafts, for DIYs. You can also even use them for like journaling and things like that. So this one has a 60 piece count, and they're pink and red, and there's different sizes. They do not have sticky tape on the back, but that's easy enough to do with a glue stick or glue gun or things like that, depending on what you want to use them for. And then I got 2 packs of these. These are absolutely gorgeous. They're also calling this one table scatter. 20 pieces, but you can see there's all different pretty designs on the hearts. So I got 2 packs of these, most likely for my one of my upcoming collabs, or maybe even both of them, and obviously for arts and crafts and DIY. I did get a pack of the cupcake table scatter. I'm not sure if these are the same from my previous haul where I thought I called them stickers. I thought they were stickers, but this actually does say table scatter, and these do not have the adhesive on the back, but they are felt, and I think they're so cute, the cupcakes. So if they were table scatter in my previous video, I'm sorry. but yeah, either way, you can definitely make them into stickers very easily. And then I did buy this mailbox. It was 50 cents. I bought it after Christmas. It's kind of damaged. I mean, not totally damaged, but you know, it's not, it's on its last legs. But I figured that I would be using this in a DIY. That's all I'm going to say about that. So there'll be a video with that coming up soon. And I got these adorable little heart. They're calling them heart picks. 7 pieces. These are the glitter pink ones. You could use these in wreaths and other DIYs, but honestly, I'm going to use these in my plants most likely, just to decorate, because I have over 100 plants in my house. Last time I counted, I'm sure there's probably close to 150, but lots and lots of plants. So I'm going to be using those for that. I got 1 pack of the pink, and then I got a pack of the red. So they're very pretty. It's hard to, I can't even decide which one I like better. They're both so pretty. And I think they had at least one more color of those as well. And then I got the roses, the 6-piece roses. These are so pretty. I love them. Very easily, you can see you can very easily apply glue there and put them on anything to add for a DIY or things like that. You could even put them in like a tier tray or any kind of tray. You could put them in a coffee bar, your hot cocoa bar. But I'm going to be using them for DIYs and for crafts. And then I also got these beautiful felt flowers. They had at least, if I'm remembering correctly, 2 more designs. I'm going to go back and get more. I have so many arts and crafts and so much left over from Christmas that I kind of went in there like, I'm going to be really, really conservative with my buying. But now I'm like, I should have just bought it. So next time I go, I'm sure I'll get more Valentine's Day items. But yeah, definitely the red. And again, super, super easy to apply a glue gun or any kind of glue there, Gorilla Glue, and to adhere these and to add these to anything. And then these ones are so, so pretty with the pink and the almost like a fuchsia color right there. Okay, so for this haul, that's pretty much it for Valentine's Day, but I do have new items and a couple of random items and some new cosmetics, so bear with me. I did get these Junkster gloves. No, they're not brand new, but I just think that the style is so beautiful. I love the woven detail in this. So I got the black and the gray. They're just so pretty. So for $1, I mean, we stock up on gloves. It always seems like we lose a glove somewhere. I don't know where. I have no idea. But we're always missing a glove. So I like to stock up on gloves, and especially for $1. These are nice too, because they're not like thick snow gloves, but they're definitely going to keep you warm, like walking out to your car and things like that. So I found some really beautiful new colors from LA Colors. They had a bunch of these lip gloss. They're calling it lip gloss moisturizing. So moisturizing lip gloss by LA Colors. So, so pretty. This one is called Happiness. It's a really pretty pink with just a touch of peach. And then this one is it's just like a little bit of a darker version of that with a hint more pink in it. And this one's called Dreamy Pink. They had at least 2 or 3 more colors. But again, like I said, I was kind of conservative when I went in there that day with my shopping. I was just like, I have so much, I have so much, I have so much, because it was right after Christmas. And now I'm like, for $1, you know, I should just bought it, but I'll get them next time if they're there. I found this palette absolutely gorgeous. So I found this palette from LA Colors. I'm gonna cover it because it has a mirror right there, and it's gonna reflect. But look how beautiful those colors are. I love them. These are the perfect purple pink colors. Like, this is my color palette right here. They had, I believe, one more like this, probably more than that. But at that particular store, there was this one and then another color palette that just didn't make sense for me. But this one is called Midnight Fiasco. This one is called Midnight Tease. So pretty. So definitely keep an eye out for the palettes, LA Colors. There's a lot of really nice ones out there right now. And those lip glosses also are just, they're stunning. They look so much better in person. I'm looking at them in the camera and they look pretty, but they're even prettier in person. Now this I found, this is so pretty. This is so pretty. I love it. Sorry about the reflection there. This is by Covergirl. So name brand, and it's called Full Spectrum. It's Sculpt Expert Versatile Cheek Palette. So pretty. I'm going to hold it like this so that it doesn't reflect, because I can see the reflection in it with the lights. But yeah, very, very beautiful colors. Name brand for $1. And I got a basic item that I needed for sending out friend mail and things like that by Jot. The stickers, the labels. So they're the labels by Jot, 18 count. Just, you know, everyday item, but I do use these. I used a ton of them through Christmas, sending out packages. So I figured I would restock. And now this is like just a random items that I found. Now these are random items that I found in the toy section, but I thought they were really cool. So Transformers. They're little keychains. I found Bumblebee. I got the set of 4. There are 4, you can see on the back. And I actually got all 4 of them. So I got Bumblebee, I got Soundwave. And then I got Megatron and Optimus Prime. And Optimus Prime. So these are by Hasbro. And I figured these would be great to add to that bin, which is quickly turning into 2 bins of all the collectible toys that I get and I put away for Gianni. So yeah, so I thought that was a really awesome find to find the 4 of them in one store. Like I was like, yeah, why not? And then, oh, another one of these. I thought I got a 3rd one. So this will be the last. So this will be the last item. It is another one of the LA colors, and this one is so, so pretty as well. This is like a baby pink, and it says Just Kissed. And it does also say on them, another thing that drew me to want to buy these, because I'm not a huge lip gloss person, but it says vitamin E enriched. So I was like, yes, please, with the winter. So yeah, so that's the last item in this haul. Definitely keep an eye out for these LA Colors lip glosses and for the new palettes and for the Valentine's Day. Just there's so much stuff in the stores. It's like I said, it's really overwhelming. You go in there, at least I go in there and I try not to buy everything, and I was really good on this trip, but but yeah, there's so much out there. So definitely start looking and start buying now before it's all gone. And that does conclude today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you. I really, really do. I appreciate all of your comments and likes and subscriptions and everything. And please don't forget to comment down below, like the video, hit the subscribe button and the post notification bell so you know next time I upload and every time I upload. And if you haven't subscribed already to my channel, subscribe to my channel. I have an upcoming Valentine's Day collab that will have a giveaway. So there's at least 1 giveaway coming up within the next couple of weeks. So definitely be subscribed to my channel so that you'll be eligible for that. And have a wonderful day. I will see you all in the next one. Bye.